Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't pull through? Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. You hate me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today, we're about to be going to drop the 350Z off at my boy Jamar's so we can get ready to get started on the LSA Supercharger. So, Operation Supercharged 350Z is underway, and I think this LS3 with the this LS3 with this ported, this LS3 350Z with the Synergy ported LSA should be pretty nasty. But before we gather up all the stuff to get ready to head out to my boy Jamar's shop, dude, you guys can see like there is a wild amount of boxes in here. Still got a few things over there from ISR, stuff from ISR over here. Literally all the stuff is ISR stuff from for the 350Z and the 370Z. So ISR ended up sending their Y pipe, their down pipes, and a full exhaust system for the VR30 370Z setup, and they also sent a full LS3 swap kit for Nita's car. Back when I first got that car, you guys remember that I had the LS3 sitting and I was gonna LS3 swap her car, and everything was on back order. Everything was like 10 weeks out or so, and I forgot all about it. And I looked the other day, Granny was like, you got a package, and this white box came and it was like a Canton Racing, and I was like, what the hell? Like, I didn't order nothing from Canton. And then I checked the box, it was like LS6 oil pan or whatever, so essentially basically LS3 oil pan for her car. Then all the other parts started coming. Nita's 350Z in the future, I think she wants to keep it. She's like, yeah, it's the first car you kind of gave to me, let me drive. It's the first car she learned how to drive stick in, so now I feel like she's more like sentimentally attached to that thing. So that's gonna be the plan for her cars. We're gonna be LS3 swapping it. So we're literally gonna be a his and hers, like pretty much my LS3 and her LS3. Nita, Bonita, come here, come here. No, not y'all. Hey, go home. Go home, both of y'all. Go.
I don't want to go home.
Hey, go home. Go. So, man, there's a gang of stuff in here. This is her bumper, my SC bumper. Her seats for her Z. And this is the stuff that we're going to be taking with us. This is all the LSA accessories and all that good stuff. Damn, it's a lot of stuff in here we gotta move around because I want to get all her other parts and stuff in here. That way they're not in my living room. And I would put the bumpers in the shed, but they don't fit, so I don't want them sitting in there all smashed up in the shed, and the next thing you know they get stuck that way. So that's why I got them in here just sitting like this. Here, let's open some of these little boxes real quick. What's this? What is this? Oh, the horn. Horn for the 370Z. Horn airbag.
I need a horn.
I mean, this is literally because the other one on the 370Z is blown out.
I don't have a horn.
You do got horns. They're actually over here. I bought horns for your car a long time ago. I ain't had the time to put them in. Look, horns right here. There's two of them in here. Just ain't had time to put them on. Bro, what's up with this? Like popcorn shit. What is this? What is these? Oh, this is also for the 370Z. This is gonna be the little battery cover. Cover up the ECU and all that stuff over there. Yeah, these are the headers. I feel like it should be in a bigger box though. Alright, here, take that one. Take that.
How you gonna take the small ass box with the big ass one?
Well, I got the camera. Bruh, I almost died. You seen that? You seen that, Granny? I just stepped on the pineapple. Almost died. These two are for the 370, so. Thank you. We gotta open this one anyway. I don't know what this one is. I know that one's the oil pan, so that one can go in there. And then we'll just open this up. I don't know if these are. I don't know what this is. Grab that one. Rip it. Yep. These are the down pipes. Catted down pipes for the 370Z. 370Z. Bruh. Big so we can see it.
You can't see that?
Alright, so this is the only box that we're gonna be taking with us today. This is the complete LSA accessory drive. I gotta get the LSA Supercharger off the dresser. I have the heat exchanger. I already have the coolant tank inside the 350Z. So yeah, for the most part, we're almost ready to load up and head to Jamar's. So my last time kind of driving my 350Z NA. After this, the car ain't gonna run no more. So it's the last day. We're gonna be needing these. These are 1200cc injectors. Let me throw these in that box so I don't forget these. Alright, man, it is time to go. So we're about to be heading to my boy Jamar's. For the people that may not be familiar with Jamar is like one of my day ones. Jamar actually helped me with my old S13. He's the one who wired in the standalone for that. Jamar is my boy that had that RB30 S14. We basically used to be on the same drift team together. We used to slide a lot together. So Jamar's like literally like one of my day ones. Jamar's been super busy, but he just recently got a shop, and he was like, you know what? Wasn't gonna have White Aaron do it, but I know Jamar's in the middle of doing his old school Camaro. I think it's a 60, either 67 or a 69, one of those 2 years, but it has the LS3, it has a full blown, he has a Magnuson on it, so he's a little bit more familiar with the supercharged stuff. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna have him throw the LSA on here for me. Plus I've dealt with Jamar like a long time ago. Like I said, that's like my brother, so it'll be cool to kind of let him mess with this. I know Aaron was down to take it on, but I think once the supercharger kit gets here for the C6, I'm gonna have Aaron throw the supercharger on the C6 if it doesn't go to Sac Speed Shop. I mean, granted, if Sac Speed Shop gets done with the C5 and they have time to knock out the C6, then we could take it there. But I'm literally scattering builds around right now with my close circle of people that I'm used to networking with, because I want to get everything done, and I want everything done like right. So that's why I'm kind of like, it's just a big old like clusterfuck of work that needs to get done, man. Like, I'm so scattered. I'm kind of like overwhelmed because I'm doing a whole lot of stuff at once, but this is the only way all these things are gonna get done. And man, by summer I shouldn't have any NA cars other than Nita's 350Z. I think that'll be the only NA car that's in the fleet. This is big single turbo. This is getting the LSA. This is A&A supercharger kit. Y'all see my 350s or 300ZX over there? That's already turboed with the SR. So the truck is getting ready to get turboed. The kit and everything's already been ordered. So we're literally not gonna have anything NA other than Nita's 350Z. It's an insane life to have, man. Every single car will be over 500 horsepower. That's crazy to think about. There's literally nothing that's like really slow. Man, oh man, it's crazy. This is the last time y'all are probably gonna hear this thing start up NA. Whew. Last NA cold start. We gotta do it. Last NA cold start. the NA code starts. It's a sad, happy moment. Sad, good moment. All right, so we just getting here to my boy Jamar's. What's up, Black? The wildness right here. It's just gonna be stupid clean. Jeez.
What can you push on?
the light.
What ain't gonna break, nigga?
The light, the trunk.
What's all that shit need?
Oh, coolant. The thermostat housing. The water pump has to come off anyway for the supercharger. That's why I never replaced it.
I want to get this in the air before you leave. You gonna show us the bump and shit?
Last time y'all seen this NA.
Yeah, go ahead, take her up a little bit.
All right, front bumper off. And then I'm gonna go grab all these parts out the car. I have the Gap Jamar supercharge set up with my supercharge set up. Nah, it's not that bad. Just slide it out. Just grab it, nigga. You got the middle?
You got that side?
Yeah.
Oh, that's motherfucking pretty light, huh? Screws dropping and shit.
Yeah, throw these right back up in here.
Who put this car together?
Jesse put it together.
Explains a lot.
Why? What the fuck that mean?
I'm just fucking with you. Damn, nigga.
Man, now that I'm looking at it with the bumper off, fitting that heat exchanger.
Yep. Heat exchanger should go right here. In the very front. This should be moved somewhere. Oh, but then you got this fucking oil really carry right there. Yep, got a lot of thinking to do. Right here, but on the inside. But on the inside of this. And then we'll have to make tabs for this.
Alright, so we got a little game plan. Just went over a few things. Major issue is gonna be just getting the heat exchanger up front. But I guess we're just gonna move the oil cooler. Then we gotta figure out, well, I gotta figure out the intake setup. Alright, time to get back to the hut.